In this video, I'll guide you on how to screen mirror an iPad to your TCL TV. Now over here, I do have a TCL Android TV, but this is going to work out for both the TCL Google TV or literally any type of TCL TV you have. And the process is quite simple. First things first, you have to make sure that both your iPad and your TCL TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So if you scroll down through the notification center on my iPad and then to the Wi-Fi settings from over here, you can see that I am currently connected to my home Wi-Fi network. And so you want to also make sure that your TCL TV is connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Basically, you want to navigate to the network or internet settings of your TCL TV, whichever type of TCL TV you have. And from the network and internet settings, just make sure you're connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. The last thing you want to do is to navigate to the App Store of your TCL TV. So I'll go ahead and open up the Google Play Store over here. And from the Google Play Store, you want to navigate to the search input field at the top. Then search for the app known as AirScreen. Now this app is going to serve as the Apple AirPlay. There are a couple of applications you can use to do this same thing. You should be able to find all of them once you search for AirPlay on the search bar. You can use any one of your choice. I'll be using this particular one over here and tap on install from over here. Now once the app is installed, you can go ahead and open it up and then just set it up. So just click on continue from over here, click on OK on your remote control, click on grant while using this app, and then just click on the confirm button over here and tap on the cancel icon at the top and you're good to go. Finally, you want to come over to your iPad and then turn on the AirPlay or screen mirroring feature. So you want to swipe down through the control center and you're going to see these two boxes stacked upon each other. Select on it and you should be able to find the name of your TCL TV. It should show the AS Smart TV, which actually stands for AirScreen Smart TV. So go ahead and select the name just like so. Give it a couple of seconds and automatically your iPad will be mirrored to your TCL TV. So I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds now. And as you can see, this works absolutely well. It is also pretty fast as well. And that is basically how to screen mirror, cast, or connect your iPad wirelessly to your TCL TV. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.